Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Let's get into the video. Bye! Hi guys. Don't know if I'm gonna upload this, but I thought it would just be a good idea to do. And yes, I am in the same clothes I filmed my last video in. And yeah, I'm just sorting out my clothes into summer in this bag and just sorting out my summer and winter clothes because it's getting chilly now. So yeah, just thought to do this as a video because I see like people do like cleaning videos and I'm just like, no, I'm not doing that. But I thought this was actually alright because it's not that messy. I'll show you the tops I've sorted out right now, and I'll show you what I'm on now. Right now I'm on to the trousers, and yeah. So yeah, I'll show you my top. So it's not the best, but that's my workout stuff. That's just mostly long sleeve t-shirt. That's just t-shirt because I know it's winter, but I still need t-shirts. But yeah, I didn't chuck a lot of the t-shirts out, but, well, not chuck, I didn't put them in the bag, but some of them are. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do this in a time lapse, I'll try and do it. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put it onto that if I can. And let's just do this. So guys, we're gonna go on to the next one, onto the next drawer, and yeah. So guys, we're on the other side of my bed, and we're doing my other, probably don't need two of them, but my other trousers and bottoms and jeans drawer. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I know I'm back at the same bit, but we need to put the clothes I got from that one into this one because that drawer's going to be mostly my workout clothes, my workout bottoms, or my just lazy bottoms, and jeans. And then this one's going to be skirts, leggings, and all them things, and trousers. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, that's the video. If it's gonna be uploaded, you're gonna see it right now. But I don't know yet. I'm gonna watch it back and check if it's decent. But if it is, this is my first time-lapse video. I may do a cleaning video in the future, but it depends if I feel comfortable or not. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, comment down below any video ideas, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!